Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a Snapchat account step by step. Just a quick note, I reactivated a previously deleted Snap account specifically for this video. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and log into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, go to the messaging section, then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Then scroll down until you find the Delete Account section and tap on it. Either type your username or the email address of the account, or click Use Phone Number instead and type your phone number. Then click Next. Now enter your password and click Next. And if you don't remember your password, just click Forgotten Password and reset your password. Finally, to confirm the deletion, enter your password one more time and tap Continue. And that's it. Just a quick note, because this account was already deactivated and it hasn't been 72 hours since the reactivation, my account can't be deactivated again right now. So, when you enter the password, your account will be deactivated. Be sure to remember, if you want to reactivate your account, you need to do it within 30 days of deactivation. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.